Hello and welcome to Owen's Mega Store. Today I'm going to be unboxing this right here, the Klarstein Secret Hiding Place Minibar Mini Fridge. Let's do it! It's quite a little fella, as you can see. The secret fridge, small. It's meant to be small. It's so small you could probably fit it in your pocket. Not really, but it's only 17 liters, so it is a small fridge. But the idea with this fridge is for it to be small. It's meant to be mobile, someplace you can put it where it's not going to take up a lot of space, you know, be it like a man cave or the kids' room, or perhaps a caravan. It has a energy efficiency class of A+, so it's very economical, which, you know, makes sense because of its tiny size. Let's look inside and see what it looks like. There you go. Oh, would you look at that? A banana. Banana for scale. So, just to give you an idea of the size of this fridge here, it's small. It's a little guy, but it's got heart. Truly a secret fridge, or a fridge you could keep secret. You could put this under your table and no one would know. You know, a nice frosty snack here and there. Nothing wrong with that. So there you have it. The little guy. The Klarstein Secret Hiding Place Minibar Mini Fridge. Mini. Everything's mini with this. It's mini. See? Mini. Enjoy.